In a shocking incident, over 20 children in Madhya Pradesh have lost their lives after consuming cold rift cough syrup. But what went so horribly wrong with the medicine meant to heal? Lab tests found the syrup contained 48.6% diethylene glycol, a deadly toxin nearly 480 times above the limit of 0.1%. This exposes serious lapses in drug quality checks and weak regulatory control. Under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization and state regulatory authorities share the duty. Yet, weak enforcement, poor inspection, and a lack of coordination persist. The syrup has been banned, and the World Health Organization has issued a global alert. Nevertheless, the question over how India can strengthen its drug safety framework and restore public confidence remains. What steps, according to you, shall be taken to avoid any such lapses in future? Write them in the comments.